Right, we are back, and this week we have finished off that 300 square metre block paving, laid in the Tobermoor heathers, laid the last few blocks. Obviously a few videos on how to screed. Yeah, good end to the week really. Got it all done on time. Went for a few beers afterwards, which was nice. Customers happy, want more work. A few clients on the stables there which want us to do work as well. So yeah, good end to the week. Warm week, nice dry week this week, so that was good. All blocks were laid on a sub base and then a 6mm to dust final level base. Blocks were laid, kiln dried sand on top, whacked with a whacker plate. Obviously we use boards, a lot of people use the rubber things on the bottom of the whacker, but we find it works just as well. Re-sand it, clean it off, blow it off, give it a little rinse down, and yeah, like I say, happy customers. So short little video this week, but just showing how we did it. There will be a video going up in the week of like the whole start to finish, so check that out. Like, comment, subscribe, give us a share. Let's get this video out there, trying to get above 1,000 subscribers. Let us know in the comment section below what you think. Yeah, let's get into the video. Peace.